from the San Francisco Institute of Technology, Hiro and Baymax.
Hey guys! Whoa, what's up? Hey everyone up there! How are you guys? Hey everyone, my name is Hiro a student in the San Francisco Institute of Technology and a part of the Big Hero 6. And here joining me today is my best friend, Baymax.
Hello, I am Baymax, your personal healthcare companion.
Now, Baymax and I were inspired by the promise of a better tomorrow and being healthy. So we decided to create this super exercise expo just for you all. It's gonna be sick.
It is an expo. It cannot be sick.
It's just an expression, Baymax. Now, what do you say? Let's get started.
I will begin by scanning our friends now. Scan complete.
Well, and how do they look?
Their bodies are relaxed, and their heart rates are low.
How do we fix that?
I suggest physical exertion.
Like exercise?
Correct. A session of vigorous exercise could benefit our new friends. Exercise increases stamina and releases endorphins.
Great idea, Baymax. Fist bump?
Ba-da-la-la-la.
Oh, well, it sounds like it's time to start exercising. How do we know it's working, Baymax?
Our friends' heart rates will be at peak performance when everyone is red on my thermal scan.
All right, so we need to get everyone worked up to red. Do we think we can all do that? Awesome. How do we know we're
The most effective exercise routine would be based on the other members of Big Hero 6.
Great idea. We have Wasabi, GoGo Tamago, Honey Lemon, and Fred. Now we can use them all to inspire our exercise moves here today. All right, everyone. I want everyone to stand up and put your arms at shoulder distance like this. Now, if you're touching a neighbor, take a little step back, okay? We want to make sure everyone has enough room to get their exercise on. Everyone at the back standing all up. What about you up there? You all got enough room? Awesome. Now, at the Super Exercise Expo, I want you to all have fun and be as loud as possible, even the adults. So whenever I say ready, I want you to punch your fist in the sky like a superhero and yell out, Super! Everyone on this side, are we ready? Super! Everyone on this side, are we ready? Super! Now ready? All together, everyone. Are we ready? Super! Let's begin, Baymax.
We may begin by taking inspiration from Wasabi and the use of his plasma arm blades. Observe.
Now, Wasabi is basically the muscle of the group. He's always in control, and he's very, very organized.
As you can see, Wasabi uses his arms to wield his plasma arm blades. Using your arms can enhance upper body strength and flexibility.
Yeah, look at how he chunks with his arms, Baymax. I've got the perfect move we can do for this. This is gonna be awesome. Let's call this the Wasabi Arm Chop. All right, everyone. Now, to do the Wasabi Arm Chop, we're gonna bring our right arm up like this and chop. Then our left arm up and chop. So it's right arm chop, left arm chop.
I suggest calling out a word while doing this. This will help create both rhythm and energy.
Yeah, let's call out Wasabi. So we're gonna go right Wasabi, left Wasabi. And I wanna hear you all shout it out. Are we ready? Super! Here we go. Right Wasabi, left Wasabi, right Wasabi, left Wasabi, right Wasabi, left Wasabi, right Wasabi, left Wasabi. Great job, everyone. Now let's try going double speed. We're gonna go like this. Wasabi, 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 wasabi. Great job, everyone. You guys are naturals at this. What's next, Baymax?
We will model our next movements based on GoGo Tamago and her maglev discs. Observe.
Now, she is the fastest out of us all. She has the need for speed and bubblegum.
GoGo uses maglev discs to reach super speeds. However, her agility and leg movements are essential to her fitness and success.
Yeah, fast is never fast enough for her, Baymax. I know, we can use her leg movements to inspire our next move. Let's call it the GoGo leg lunge. All right, everyone, now to do the GoGo leg lunge, we're gonna stand with our feet and shoulder distance apart, like this. Then bend down like we're skiing, and go to the right, go to the left, and then go 3 times. Go, go, go. So that's right, left, go, go, go. And I wanna hear you all shout out, go, go, go. Are we ready? Super! Here we go. Right, left, go, go, go. Left, right, go, go, go. Right, left, go, go, go. Left, right, go, go, go. Great job. Let's try going faster.
I am not fast.
Come on, Baymax, as GoGo would say, it's time to women up. Here we go. Right, left, go, go, go. Left, right, go, go, go. Right, left, go, go, go. Left, right, go, go, go. Right, left, go, go, go. Left, right, go, go, go. Whew. This is a great workout, Baymax. I can start to feel it already.
Your hard work will pay off.
Well, how are we looking?
I will take an updated reading. Scan complete. Everyone's heart rate has increased steadily, except this particular friend. Your heart rate is high, and your face is flushed.
Heart rate high, face flushed. Do you like Baymax? Baymax, someone's in love with you.
Falling in love can release endorphins, causing an increase in feelings of well-being and euphoria. If you are feeling these things, I am glad to have helped.
All right, lover boy. Let's stay on track. We've got goals to reach here today.
I suggest we base our next move on honey lemon. Observe.
Now, she is a great chemist. She has a great arm. She always hits her target and does it with a peppermint step.
The success of honey lemon's power lies in her ability to accurately throw the appropriate cannonball the desired distance.
Yeah, she should go out for the baseball team, Baymax. I know. We can call this next move the honey lemon cannonball throw. Okay, everyone. To do the honey lemon cannonball throw, we're gonna wind up our right arm like this, then throw with a kick, and wind up our left arm and throw with a kick. So it's honey lemon throw, honey lemon throw. And I want to hear you all shout it out, okay? Are we ready? Super! Follow along, everyone. Here we go. Honey lemon throw, 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 honey lemon throw. Good job, everyone.
Hiro, to achieve a higher heart rate, try adding 3 hops.
Great idea. So we'll go hop, hop, hop on honey lemon throw. Here we go, everyone. Are we ready? Super! Honey lemon throw. 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 Good job. Whew, I'm feeling great. How are you, Baymax?
My batteries are fully charged. Let's continue to keep your heart rate up.
Yeah, let's move on to Fred.
Fred is an excellent idea. Observe.
Now, Fred is really, really cool, and he's a little odd. He never runs out of energy or ideas, and he can jump really, really high.
Fred's super suit allows him to jump to great heights and breathe fire. Breathing fire is dangerous and should only be done by trained professionals.
Well, thanks for the advice, Baymax. So let's see if we can jump as high as Fred in the next move. Let's call it the Fred Super Jump. Now, to do the Fred Super Jump, everyone, we're gonna do it like how he wears his underwear. We're gonna go front, then we're gonna go back, and then we're gonna go inside out, okay? So we're gonna jump to the front, then jump to the back, then turn around. And I wanna hear everyone shout, front, back, inside out. Are we all ready? Super! Okay, follow along everyone. Here we go, front, back, inside out. Front, back, inside out. Front, back, inside out. Front, back, inside out. Great job everyone. Now let's shake things up a little bit and add a wiggle. So we're gonna go front, wiggle back, wiggle inside out. Front, wiggle back, wiggle inside out. Baymax, why are you wiggling?
Wiggling is not included in my healthcare matrix.
Come on, Baymax, wiggle.
I will add wiggle to my database.
Yeah, here we go. Front, wiggle back, wiggle inside out. Front, wiggle back, wiggle inside out. Front, wiggle back, wiggle inside out. Great job, everyone. Baymax, I just love the Fred super jump. How are we looking?
I will scan you now. Scan complete. My reading shows that everyone's heart rate has increased. However, not to the maximum level for an optimal exercise experience.
But that's everyone's moves, Baymax.
That is incorrect.
We have Wasabi, GoGo, Honey Lemon, Fred. Who's left?
You are Hiro. May I suggest a final exercise that I will call the Hiro pose?
Wait, Baymax, you named this segment after me? You shouldn't have.
Yes, I should. Having something named after me can increase feelings of gratitude and belonging.
Baymax, you are my best friend.
And you are my hero.
Alright then, so what's this hero pose?
Hero pose combines all of the movements we have performed today.
Yeah, and then we can end in a superhero pose.
And I suggest a song to assist in maintaining a sustained, healthy rhythm.
Well, what song did you have in mind?
Observe.
Alright everyone, well you heard Baymax, we're going to put all four of those moves together and then end in our hero pose. You can do whatever you want, just have a little bit of fun with it, okay? Ready? Show me your hero pose. And remember, it's the Wasabi arm chop, the GoGo leg lunge, the Honey Lemon cannonball throw, the Fred super jump, and then we're going to end it all in our superhero pose. Now, we're going to do that twice before we hit our hero pose. And I want to hear you say it as loud as possible. Are we all ready? Super! Here we go! Wasabi, 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 wasabi. Right, left, go, go, go. Honey lemon throw, honey lemon throw. Front, back, inside out. And again, wasabi, 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 wasabi. Right, left, go, go, go. Honey lemon throw, honey lemon throw. Front, back, inside out, and pose. Great job, everyone. Baymax?
I will scan our friends. Scan complete. You are almost there, but you have yet to attain maximum benefits.
Oh, what do you say?
Double time.
All right, everyone, you heard Baymax. We're gonna do it double time, 3 times. Are we all ready? Super wasabi, 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 wasabi. Go, 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 go. Honey lemon throw, honey lemon throw. Front, wiggle back, wiggle inside out. And again, wasabi, 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 wasabi. Go, 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 go. Wasabi. Go, 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 go. Honey, lemon, throw, honey, lemon, throw, honey, lemon, throw, honey, lemon, throw. Front, back, inside out. Front, back, show me your pose. Oh, great job, everyone. Baymax, how are we looking?
I will scan our friends. Scan complete. Congratulations. Due to your exercising, my readings indicate that your heart rates have reached their ideal level.
We did it, everyone! All right, it's photo time. I'm going to invite some of our friends to come all the way down to the front here and get a photo with us. Come on down to the front, friends, and strike your pose. And on the count of 3, let's all say...
Hairy baby.
Great idea, Baymax. There we go, coming on down the front, everyone. Get your cameras out. And ready to strike your pose. And ready in 3, 2, 1.
Hairy baby.
Thank you everyone for coming on out to the Super Exercise Expo today. See you guys later.
Ba-la-la-la-la.
All right, everyone, give your neighbor a big fist bump.
Ba-la-la-la-la.
Thank you everyone for coming on out. We'll see you guys later.
I cannot leave until they say they are satisfied with their care.
Oh, you're right. Well, if you're satisfied with your care, give Baymax a huge cheer. There we go, Baymax. Be satisfied without care.
Sick.
Hey,
It is just an expression. Let us also have a cheer for Hiro.
thank you. Thank you everyone for coming on out to the Super Exercise Expo today. See you later.
You are all heroes.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.
Enjoy the rest of your day. See you later.
Please remember, exercise is not only good for your body, but your mind as well.
Baymax.
Oh, and please be sure to cool down and hydrate to avoid dehydration and cramping.
Come on, Baymax.
It is recommended to apply the appropriate amount of high SPF sunscreen throughout the day to avoid skin damage
Baymax.
and tannins.
Hurry up.
I am not fast.
Goodbye, everyone.